Hello friends, hi, welcome to my channel. Please one click and one like friends. Today my topic is the circulatory system, cardiovascular system, also called as cardiovascular system, the anatomy of heart. Before moving on to topic, please friends, small request, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Click on to bell icon for further notification. On to topic friends, the anatomy of heart. Topics friends, parts of circulatory system, heart, heart layers, heart chambers, heart blood vessels, heart walls, and common conditions related to heart diseases and functions of the heart and circulation of the blood circulation of heart. Okay friends, introduction friends. Circulatory system also called as cardiovascular system. It pumps blood from heart to lungs to get oxygen, then sends oxygenated blood through arteries and rest of the body. Here friends, circulatory system also called as cardiovascular system. The deoxygenated blood will enters into the lungs for purification, then oxygenated blood through arteries, rest of body will blood through the arteries will supply the blood. Okay friends, heart is a vital organ of human body. Means vital organ means heart will supply blood to the rest of body. That's why vital organ. Next, the veins carry oxygen pour blood back to the heart to start the circulation process. Same thing friends. Means veins carry the oxygen pour back to blood, means the circulation process, overall circulation process will finish friends. Here we can see in this video the heart. Heart will supply blood to the all over the body through the arteries, means upper portion and lower portion, means inferior vena cava and superior vena cava. Superior vena cava will supply blood to the upper parts, inferior vena cava and lower parts. Okay friends, next move on to next topic in the heart. The parts of circulatory system friends. The parts of circulatory system of the heart is pulmonary artery, left atrium, left ventricle, and the aorta, superior vena cava, right atrium and right ventricle, and inferior vena cava. Here we can see in this picture 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 numbers. With numbers already I was mentioned. Okay friends, next move on to next topic in the heart, the layers of the heart friends. Heart layers. Heart layers consist of three layers of tissues. Those are epicardium, myocardium and endocardium. Here first one is epicardium friends. Epicardium is outermost layer of the heart. Histologically it is made up of mesothelial cells and same as the parietal pericardium. Here mesothelial cells are layers of the adipose tissue and connective tissue friends. Epicardium is made up of mesothelial cells and connective tissue, means adipose tissue and connective tissue both will be connect in epicardium. Here we can see in this picture. The second heart layer is myocardium friends. Myocardium is middle and muscular layer friends. Middle and muscular layer of the heart. Here friends, middle also and muscular layer also. It is a thickest layer comparing to epicardium, comparing to endocardium. Myocardium is the thickest layer. Lies between the single cell endocardium layers friends. It is which make up the visceral pericardium that surrounds protect the heart. The myocardium will protect the heart friends. It is a thickest and middle layer and muscular layer into the heart. We can see in the picture. Especially here we can see the functions, myocardium functions. The main function of myocardium is facilitate the contractions and relaxations of heart walls. Next, in order to receive and pump the blood into the systemic circulation. Here friends, the myocardium function, it is contraction and relaxation of the heart walls. Second most important function is the blood circulation, means receiving and pumping into the blood in systemic circulation, means heart circulation, means circulation of the heart is a systemic circulation. The main function is myocardium. Okay friends, next move on to third layer of the heart. The third layer of the heart is endocardium friends. Endocardium, the endocardium is the innermost layer of the heart. It is lines inner surface of heart chambers including the heart walls also. Here endocardium is innermost layer friends, innermost layer of the heart, inner surface of the heart chambers, lines, actually it is attached into the inner surface of the heart chambers including the heart walls. Here we can see in this picture also. Next, endocardium has also two layers friends. Actually heart layers three layers. In the third layer endocardium having two layers, inner layer and subendocardial connective tissue. Okay friend, the inner layer lines the heart chambers and it is made up of endothelial cells superiorly second layer also. Next, subendocardial connective tissue, it is connected which continues with the connective tissue of the myocardium. We can see here heart chambers, right atrium and right ventricle, left atrium and left ventricle. Okay friends, heart is divided into four chambers friends. Not you friends, I also having two chambers and two chambers in the top and two chambers in the bottom. Those are right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium and left ventricle. I will explain detail in circulation of the heart, blood circulation. Next, move on to topic blood vessels. Our heart pumps blood through the three types of blood vessels friends. Those are arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries carry oxygenate rich blood from the heart to body tissue. The arteries will supply oxygenated blood into all over the body from the heart. Veins will carry the oxygen poor blood, means deoxygenated blood into the heart. Next, capillaries. Capillaries are the small blood vessels where your body exchanges oxygen rich and poor blood. Okay friends, capillaries are small blood vessels where your body will exchange oxygen rich and oxygen poor blood. Your heart receives nutrition through the network of coronary arteries. These are arteries run along your heart surface. They serve the heart itself, means self circulation. Okay friends, here we can observe capillaries, small blood vessels through the body exchanges the oxygen and rich and poor, means deoxygenated blood, oxygenated blood also. Through the lungs purification will done, then oxygenated blood will supply to the all over the body. Here we can see the heart parts also. We can see the circulation, blood vessels, arteries, how will supply the oxygenated blood through the all over the body. Here we can see the small clip friends, video clip. We can observe here also. We can observe detail here. Circulation. This blood is falling down. You can observe here friends. Now it is going down, coming down. Okay friends. Okay friends, move on to next topic. Next topic will be heart valves. Heart valves. Heart valves. Okay friends, human heart valves are like doors between your heart chambers. They are open and closed to allow blood to flow through. First valve is anteroventricular valve and semilunar valve. In anteroventricular valve having two tricapside and mitral valve. Here semilunar valve also called a having aortic valve and pulmonary valve. These anteroventricular valves open between upper and lower heart chambers. In the blood supply will come flow and in and out, means blood supply will through the walls only will done. Okay friends, next move on to topic structure of the heart. The structure of the heart. Okay friends, here we can see the structure of the heart: diastolic, systolic, pumping and filling body parts also. The structure of the human heart will come. Heart is a hollow and muscular organ that pumps blood throughout the circular system. Heart will supply the blood throughout the body. Okay friends, shape will be cone shape, means our fist, same like our fist. Size will be long 10 centimeters, width 9 centimeters and thickness is 6 centimeters. Weight will come in males is different, females is different. Males will come 310 grams, female will come 225 grams. Actually, according to sex and according to weight, we are having weight of the heart. The location. The location of the heart is present front of our chest. It is present at thoracic cavity in the mediastinum, slightly on the left side of our body. It sits between the right and left lungs. Ribs will protect our body. Most of the part left side, friends. Left, most of the part of our heart is situated left side. Okay friends, next the ribs will protect our heart, means protection of the heart will be done by ribs. Okay friends, this is the heart structure. We can see the coming clip, we can see the circulation, blood circulation into the heart. This is small clip friends. Here we can see the human heart, means here I mentioned in this. Okay, next we can see the circulation of heart. Circulation, blood circulation to the heart. Okay friends, here we can see in this picture, actually the blood circulation of the heart will run through the pulmonary arteries. Okay friends, pulmonary arteries. Here we can see the lungs part friends. From the lungs, blood loses carbon dioxide, means deoxygenated blood, gains the oxygen into the pulmonary capillaries. Then pulmonary capillaries, oxygenated blood enters into the pulmonary veins friends. Here lungs beside pulmonary veins will receive oxygenated blood into the pulmonary veins. From the pulmonary veins, the left atrium will receive oxygenated blood into the left atrium. Then left atrium will receive through the mitral valve or bicapsid valve, blood enters into the left ventricle. The left ventricle through the aortic similar valve. previous topic we discussed about valves, blood valves. In that, semilunar valves will, through the aortic semilunar valves, blood enters into the aorta. Here we can see the clip blood circulation to the heart, how process is going on. Okay friends, through the aorta, systemic arteries will be supplied to the body tissues, means rest of the body will receive the oxygenated blood, then blood, deoxygenated blood returns into the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Then superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, deoxygenated blood will carry it into the right atrium. Right atrium, through tricapsid valve, the deoxygenated blood enters into the right ventricle. Then right ventricle, deoxygenated blood will enters into the pulmonary trunk and pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery will receive the blood, carries to the deoxygenated blood to the lungs. In lungs, blood purification will done. Okay friends, in lungs blood purification will be done. This is the circulation of the heart. Okay friends, next topic is the functions of the heart. Heart functions. Heart is a vital organ friends. Previously we discussed about the topic functions of the heart. Here friends, the heart sends blood around the body, means all over the body heart will send the blood circulation. The blood provides your body with oxygen and nutrients it needs. How much we need nutrients, how much we need oxygen, we will receive from the blood. Blood will pump from the heart. Okay friends, it also carries away waste material from the body. Okay friends, waste material also the heart will remove. Heart supplies oxygen, nutrients to the tissues and remove carbon dioxide. Here already we mentioned carbon dioxide remove. After removing of carbon dioxide through the lungs, that blood purification will be done through the lungs. Then oxygenated blood will be supplied all over the body. The heart is also helps to maintain adequate blood pressure and throughout the body. Blood pressure also depending upon the human heart only. Okay friends, next I will discuss about the some of the conditions related to the heart. The some of the conditions related to the heart. The some of the heart conditions related to the heart. Short notes friends. Atrial fibrillation. Atrial fibrillation means irregular impulses, electrical impulses to the your atrium. Next, second one is atrial flutter. Atrial flutter means the condition in which the heart upper chambers beat to the quickly, means rapid contractions. Atrial AF and AFib is different. Atrial fibrillation and atrial flutter both are different. The third condition is arrhythmia. Arrhythmia means the heart beat that is too fast or too slow. Irregular rhythm will be there in pericarditis. The fourth one is pericarditis, inflammation of the pericardium, means pericarditis. Cardiomyopathy. Cardiomyopathy means unusual thickening or enlargement of the heart muscle friends. Cardiomyopathy. Okay friends. Next, cardiac heart failure. Cardiac heart failure means when your heart too stiff or too weak, the poor circulation will be done to the heart, means sudden chest pain something will be happen. Next, cardiac coronary artery disease. The coronary artery disease means the plaque buildup that leads to the narrowing of the coronary arteries. Okay friends, not last one, heart attack. Sudden coronary artery blockage will be happen, that time we will get heart attack. Here we can see the first two condition, atrial fibrillation and atrial flutter. We can see the difference between both. Atrial fibrillation is the second feature, atrial flutter is the first feature. Atrial fibrillation, irregular electrical rhythms, but in atrial flutter the condition is rapid, means too fast. Contraction will be happen, beats will be too fast friends. We can see in this picture. This is the short clip. We can observe here electrical impulses to the atrium in left side. Atrial fibrillation. The first picture is atrial flutter, in which conditions are heart upper chambers will be too fast, quickly, rapid movement. Okay friends. The sum of conditions related to the heart. Okay friends, this is the anatomy of the heart. Short notes friends. Okay friend, this is the circulatory system related to the heart friends. Actually, I will make sure one more video related to the blood circulation to the heart in detail friends. Okay friends, thank you for watching friends. Thank you so much. Please give a like, please subscribe my channel. One click and one like friends. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, and any changes related to the topic and any doubts, please give a comment friends, for further improvement also for me. Subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.